Yeah, I think when choosing a solar power system, there's a few factors to consider. One is the quality of the system that you're going to be acquiring. Secondly is making sure that we've got some great sunlight on your property. If there's a heavy amount of shade, then we'd want to come out and do a shade test to check that there's enough sunlight getting through to your rooftop. Thirdly is that when we're choosing products is local installation that's going to be able to back up your products and service your products in the future. So we can quickly attend to your property if there's a problem. Yeah, homeowners thinking about the size of the roof area that you've got available for solar power. For instance, if you haven't got a huge roof area, we're wanting to put higher efficient, higher wattage panels to be able to bring the footprint down, to be able to capture more of the sun in a smaller footprint. The quality of the actual products, there's so many products out there at the moment, it's so hard to navigate and pick from. What is the differences out there? Choosing quality, looking for things like brand names. Quality of the actual panels is a huge part. Having a product that's going to stand the test of time, so having proven products with a local company to install gives you peace of mind for longevity. Some of the systems that we've seen lately are only 3 to 5 years old and they've had problems which have stopped them from working. Definitely with solar power, you want to do it once and you want to be able to know that it's done well. Superior workmanship along with quality panels means that we can actually provide a great solution and know that we're happy that when we walk away, we've done the right job and offered the best products and services to our customers.